Step into the world, eyes open, heart light. Got my eyes wide open, staying safe and bright. But sometimes things get tricky, gotta know what's true. I pause, I breathe, I think I'll follow through. When something feels off, trust your heart. It's okay to stop, trust what's in your heart. Stay smart, stay safe, stay strong. Know your rights, you can't go wrong. Use your voice, let others know. If you feel unsure, it's okay to say no. Stay smart, stay safe, stay strong. That's your shield, that's your song. If your friends say, let's go there now, check in first, here's how. Ask your grown-up, is it okay? Say where you're going and how you'll stay. Bring a phone and make a plan. Stick together, that's the stand. Go with someone you know and trust. Stay with the group, that's always a must. Safety in numbers makes you strong. That's how you help each other along. If something changes, text or call. A smart move helps you stand tall. If your gut says no, don't ignore. Being safe means knowing more. Stay safe, stay strong. Know your rights, you can't go wrong. Use your voice, let others know. If you feel unsure, it's okay to say no. Stay smart, stay safe, stay strong. That's your shield, that's your song. If someone says just eat this quick, slow it down, don't fall for tricks. If you didn't see it, pour or remain. It's okay to pause, you've got to say. Only eat what you prepare or what you saw come fresh and fair. Look around, are others eating it too? If not, then it might not be right for you. Keep your cup close, don't walk away. If it's been left out, throw it away. It's not mean to speak your mind. Safe is strong and strong is kind. Say what you need, say what you feel. No matter most, your safety's real. Stay smart, stay safe, stay strong. Shout it out loud, you've got this say all along. Every time you feel unsure, say you've got the power for sure. Stay smart, stay safe, stay strong. Together we all belong. Stay smart, stay safe, stay strong. You've got the say all along. Stay smart, stay safe, stay strong. You've got the say all along.